Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix copyright Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix the issue, first thing that you can do is just simply contact to the owner and just talk about it and have a written consent. And the second thing that you can do is just go to the mail, find the mail, your video has been removed email from Instagram, and once you do that, all you gotta do is just tap on the appeal button right in that mail, and once you click on appeal, now it will send you to the Instagram, and now all you gotta do is just select the alert or the notification that says video block. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, scroll down and then click on appeal in notice section. And once you tap on appeal, here all you gotta do is simply tap on I agree and then enter in your electronic signature and then tap on appeal. And once you have done that, after some days the Instagram will review it and reach out to you, and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.